Hey there, cosmetic formulators. I'm sure you've heard the news that consumers want more than just a quick fix for body odor. They're demanding all-day protection without compromising the planet. Let's see how you can lead the change. The deodorant game is changing fast, worth a cool $18 billion, but the old rules just don't cut it anymore. Modern consumers want products that actually work for 24 hours, stay natural, and go easy on the environment. Sounds impossible? Not for the next-gen formulator. Say goodbye to aluminium. Today's breakthrough actives include micro-encapsulation tech for controlled fragrance release, powerful yet gentle zinc ricinoleate complexes, and even probiotic blends to keep your skin's microbiome happy. Alright, ever heard of microsilver? It targets odor at the source without blocking pores or irritating sensitive skin. But there's more. Innovations like sweat-activated ingredient release, molecular odor neutralizers, and tapioca starch blends that banish the dreaded white residue. And yes, all with plant-based waxes and compostable packaging, because eco matters and your customers know it. Here's why this training body deodorants innovations, 24-hour, long-lasting and eco-friendly formulations that you can't miss. First of all, finally you will master real 24-hour control, even with tough-to-formulate natural ingredients. Next, get the data on plant actives that actually outperform synthetics. Next, solve the white residue problem for good. Furthermore, keep your fragrances fresh from morning routine to after-work gym session. Last but not the least, stay ahead of regulators and never get caught off guard by ingredient bans. Whether you're an R&D chemist, a quality manager, or a grad ready to launch your career, this training covers the science, the strategy, and the real-world skills you need. Don't just follow the trend, be the one who sets it. It's your chance to unlock the secret to next-gen, eco-conscious deodorants and get ready to make your mark. Register today and join the future of formulation. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And do check out our newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led on-demand training courses.